Oh my god, new mouse. Box right here. Oh. Yeah. Box right here. Made in China. It's the XCS. Oh my god! Botan edition. Oh. Hololive logo right there. Now you can see the box. Euphoria 80 limited like edition Botan series, like Botan. It comes in like this like plastic little thing. No branding. Yeah, oh shit. Oh it just popped out. Okay. It fell out. Okay. It is light, bro. I like this has like the G Pro virus has heft. This shit is light, bro. The dongle has the user manual in there. That's all she wrote besides the dongle in here. The 4K dongle the dangalang dang. We're cool with the plastic. Oh my god. Dude. Oh my god, wait, actually. Dude. This is lights, bro. And this is the Shishiro edition Botan. Hollow Corp on the side. Dude, this is like lights, fam. It's crisp, bro. These clicks are crisp, fam. They are nice. And the coating feels nice, bro. That's all she wrote in the box. You get a 4K dongle, cable, the mouse, nothing else to it. Yeah, look at this shit, bro. Look, this shit got the fucking fancy ass like cover. Okay. Okay. I can use it for cable management as well, actually. And it comes with covers, dude. Look at that. The USB covers. Okay. You can't see with this angle. Let me see if I can put it like down here on my PC. Oh, new angle. Wait, this is fire. Wait, this angle is fire. Wait, this angle is legit, bro. Hold up. I'm gonna move my mic down over here. Okay. You see the light? I can't see that in real life, bro. You can only see it in the camera. The sensor, bro. It's purple. I don't know if you could see, but inside the scroll wheel is like purple as well for me. The clicks are so nice and crisp. So to go back to main, I don't know what I should play, to be honest. Oh, what the fuck? Wait. Wait, this thing's nasty, bro. What the fuck? Wait, I low-key feel this thing. Yo, wait, this thing is crazy. Wait. Wait, this thing feels dirty. Like, actually. Wait. Wait, this feels nasty, fam. Though I do like, I think I do need to raise my sense a little bit because there's some little stopping power to the mouse that I. This is my mouse pad. My mouse pad. Low-key fucking with it maybe. It's like stopping mid thing. Oh hey, this thing's dirty, man. I might like I gotta hop on the DM server. So this thing is filthy, bro. He's him, bro. Yo, oh yeah, like oh hold up. Okay, that guy, me and him, low key suck. Wait, I'm him with this mouse, bro. Okay, he's better. Is that actually a leash? Where my bullets going? Yo, wait, this actually feels dirty, man. I feel so responsive. A little bit. But I think the scatting is because my mouse bad. Unless I'm going too fast. Oh, this is the 4K pulling rate. Yo, my guy. I give up on you, bro. Yo, bro, fam, man. Elise, relax. Huh? Okay. What the fuck? My AK is disgusting on this mouse. Wait. Fuck off, mate. That was actually fucked up what I just did. Oh, that was disgusting, bro. I'm skipping. You see how like I'm skipping right now? Yo, peek me, you fucker. Like, goddamn, bro. We're like... Okay, you should quit. Yo, where's my bullets? Yeah, bro. Okay. 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 Okay.